Hello everyone, myself Kirti Garg. I am a second year student at Modi University, Rajasthan. So, my today's topic is access to justice and role of legal services institution. As we all know, for a democracy to function, equal access to justice is a sine qua non. In today's world, where legal process is very cumbersome and costly, legal aid acts as a great assistance to the poor and deprived of our society. Today, our country and society tends to work on the model of a welfare state. Therefore, the ideals of justice, equality, and liberty together form the spirit of our Constitution and were beautifully reflected in the preamble. Whenever the state deviates from the notion of equality among its citizens, disparity rages among individuals and the essence of a welfare state is lost. Imparting justice in a just and fair manner is the essential duty of a state through its institutions. Poverty is not only due to lack of material factors, but being unable to fight and attain justice for the infringement of rights. Thus, the responsibility of the state is not only to impart justice, but to check that access to justice is available to all the needy, deprived, and oppressed sections of the society. Courts are there to protect the rights, and the state should check that every individual gets equal opportunity to represent himself in the temple of justice. Under this act, the needy persons are entitled to legal aid on the expense of the state if they fall under any of these following criteria. First, any person who is the member of scheduled caste or tribe, a victim of trafficking in human beings or beggar, a woman or a child, a mentally ill or otherwise disabled person, a person under circumstances of undeserved want, such as being a victim of a mass disaster, ethnic violence, caste atrocity, flood, drought, earthquake, or industrial disaster, an industrial workman in custody, including protective custody, and facing a charge which might result in punishment. According to the Legal Services Authorities Act, a National Legal Service Authority is established, and legal services authorities are established in every state, district, and taluk level. The National Legal Service Authority is the apex body which reviews all the state legal service authorities. The intention of the legislators behind the legislation is to provide access to justice to all. In a country of over 100 billion population, it is very difficult to provide equal opportunity of justice to everyone. The legal service